Today we are here with Arihant and Milind, two of the members of the team who have secured the first rank on the Asian leaderboard and third rank globally in the 2021 Bloomberg Global Trading Challenge. Could you please elaborate on how the Bloomberg Global Trading Challenge worked and what were the process in that?
Basically, it's a global trading challenge where 488 teams took part, and it was a 7-week long challenge in which we had to take trades every day. Whenever markets were open or foreign markets were open, we were allowed, and we were provided with $1 million of corpus. So, yeah.
Adding to what Milind said, there was few constraints that were part of the competition. We were not allowed to short any stock. The maximum exposure that we could take on any stock was 200,000, and lastly, the stock should be part of WLS index.
Could you elaborate on how were your reactions when you got to know that you have achieved such a feat?
So, like around or after 4 a.m., we received the mail. So, some of us were awake and some were still sleeping, and we had some missed calls from our batchmates. Like, you have achieved this rank and globally you are third, all that stuff. So, yeah, it was a good feeling. Definitely, we were sure that we will be in the top 5. And in fact, we were on the second rank till 18th. On 19th, Indian markets were closed, so we didn't take much risk to trade in foreign markets. So we didn't take any trade on that day, and our position came third. But yeah, we are still happy, and it was a dream come true.
It was definitely the biggest achievement for us, getting the fame at the international stage. So in the morning when the result came, we firstly mailed to our mentor about our success. He was also very happy with the performance, and soon the word spread around the campus, and around the family also. We were getting all the congratulations and wishes.
Was there any inspiration behind you participating in this event?
Yeah, stock markets have always intrigued us. When we joined IMD, we had a group in which others were also there, but with time it narrowed down, and by chance we 4 were there. We used to discuss every day about our personal portfolios, what is the recent news. So, and moreover, in our portfolio management course, we were exposed with Bloomberg Terminal. We had an assignment or kind of project on that. So that was one of the main inspiration behind that, because we were already exposed, and moreover, the thing is, we followed markets. So we thought it won't be a tedious task. We could basically compete in this competition with our regular schedule. So yeah, that was the main inspiration.
Adding to what Milind said, I already took part in some other portfolio competitions, inter school competitions on portfolio management, and with the same team. I was part with Tarun, and we won a few of them. And in the Bloomberg competition that we had in our curriculum, it was very similar to what it was there in the Global Trading Challenge. It was just the fights between the APO groups. So getting first there was one of the stepping stone to encourage us to take part here and give our best.
How was the experience competing with international teams? Were there any challenges that you faced?
So initially we were doing good in the competition. We were in the top 10 in the second week. But then we were not able to crack the international markets, and few stocks like Tesla and all, they skyrocketed during that time, and lots of other teams had exposure in them. We could see the reports by the Bloomberg every week that these Alibaba and Tesla were the best performers.
So as you already mentioned that you 4 were already participating in various competitions. So what were the team dynamics like between all of you?
So basically, Arihant, Tarun, Vishal and I already took part earlier also. So we already knew each other very well. And as I mentioned earlier also, we had a closed group where we used to discuss about markets. So we knew each other's strengths very well, that who is good at this, and like if we talk about fundamental technical analysis, what all indicators that one person is aware of. So we used to divide amongst us. Like if I talk about myself, I generally focus on policies, news. I focus more on swing trades, that what is in the news and what all stock should we pick. Since the time horizon was less, around 7 weeks, so we had to take trades accordingly, and we were very much comfortable within us.
Adding to what Majan said, he was very good in sector analysis and policy, keeping watch on the policies. Adding to that, Tarun, since he was in the Dubai campus, he was more exposed to international markets. He had worked on the US market also. Vishal was also keenly following the fundamentals of the companies. So we all had the passion of investing in the stock market. So we all followed market very well. So it was not a big challenge. We were cohesive enough to take part together and stay together for the 7 weeks. That's how it happened.
And moreover, Aryant was very much aware with Bloomberg terminal. Like we also had an idea, we did that course, but he was very much aware with that terminal. And moreover, we used to divide charts amongst us, that these companies or this sector will be followed by this person. And Aryant used to check all the indicators that were provided by Bloomberg. So yeah, these were the dynamics. Each person had each task done for the day, and we used to check what all trades we took on that particular day. Is there any change in strategy required? So yeah.
Adding to that, talking about strategies, so we used to do lots of back testing on the Bloomberg itself. We used to follow all the analyst recommendations. I had set lots of alarms on the earning surprises, because that was the earning season. So those were important to get the long good return stocks. So that's how we did. We tried our best to exploit all the resources available on the Bloomberg terminal itself.
So anything that you would like to tell the aspiring participants of the Bloomberg Global Trading Challenge?
We believe that consistency and patience is the key in this competition. Since the competition runs for 7 weeks, so one needs to be consistent and needs to track markets regularly. You can't even miss a single day. And moreover, if we talk about the resources, like colleges do provide proper resources. In fact, if we talk about Bloomberg terminal only, we were provided with remote access in one of our courses. So we learned over there, and we had free certifications for Bloomberg terminal only. So we basically explored various tools, learned a lot, and the same we applied in this competition. So what we think is, if your institution is providing you resources, one should utilize it wisely. So we believe this is one of the key to this competition.
Guidance from a faculty was also very important. In the subject of portfolio management, we had a similar competition, and where we applied a lot of things. Similarly, during the competition also, during the second week, we were in the 6th rank, and after that we fell beyond 17th. So we did talk to Professor Arish Chaudhary sir, and he did guide us on how to play with the international markets, what all other strategies we can use. He briefed us about what kind of factor investing that we can do, and how can we utilize smart betas. Apart from those, I would say spending time with the Bloomberg was very important, because unless you spend time, you won't get to learn a lot of things that it has to offer. And keeping track of the market, having news on toes, whenever it explodes, keeping a very close eye on the earnings of the companies, those were very important. And we believe that doing that for 7 weeks is a marathon, and just be prepared for that. That's all.
Okay, all right. Thank you for having a talk with us, and for giving us your precious time. Thank you.